Hey guys, welcome to my stuff. Why am I saying this? I'm like not having a hard time about this. Hey, well, I need to talk to you. What is it? I'm super busy, okay? Are you busy? Yes, indeed, busy. Whoa, calm down, yeah. Calm down. Hey guys, are we making a video? Yes, we're making a video. A video game. What's it about? We're gonna watch a dynamite. A dynamite? Yes, a dynamite. We're gonna find dynamites on the fireworks store. You know what's a fireworks store? You know what it's about? It's like the Plaza fireworks. Yeah, because I love fireworks. This stupid white. I hate him. Yeah, he ever hits me too. Let's go. Yeah. Oh. So, I wanna go. Okay? Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. I can't wait to go to fireworks stores. Right. What the? Traffic? Ah. Dynamite. So let's buy. What the? It's dynamite. Let's get after the way back. Why is it taking forever to pop fireworks? I don't know. Hey guys, I'm here. Oh, you're here. I only got one. Aww, I hate getting one. Well, it's gonna be fun if we pop fireworks. Yeah, it's a fireworks. Well, you know what? I think it's time to pop the fireworks. Whee! I love fireworks. Really, dude? You let the camera fall down? Now you're gonna look at the scope. Right here. Let me just. There we go. Alright, there you go. Okay, there you go. Oh, what the? Oh. Yes! Let me. Let me fix this camera. Is better? Get out of here. You don't have to see fireworks. Oh, here we go. Alright, guys, are you ready? Yes, we're ready. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Whoa! That was so cool. I know, right? Yeah. Well, that was the best fireworks I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Hey guys, I got a great idea. You do? Yes, I found a big storage of a firework. That's a cat. How did you do that? Well, I found it when I was heading to the mall. I saw a black one when it's New Year's Eve. Oh, okay, let's do that. Yeah, let's go. How about I'm gonna go with red, okay? Okay. Oh boy, I can't wait what it looks like. Yeah. Mira. I just crashed. I crashed. Okay, Ellie. Right. There you go. Oh my god. This car is crashing. I know why. Where is this car? Go. And here it is. Wow. This is so cool. Yep. Let's go get it. Done. Now let's go. We're gonna crash. We're at full speed. We're at full speed. I hurt myself. Oh, ow. Oh, hurts. Let's blow this thing off. Yeah. Put the dynamite. Oh, Red. Are you okay? Well, guys, I think that's a no. It's not. That is not the end of the video. Alright, guys. I can't wait to be in the video, but hope you enjoy and press the subscribe button, and I'll see you there. And subscribe to my channel, and also leave a like on my button and press the bell button. Okay, bye. Hey, no, we're not done yet. I'm not done. I'm trying to cut it. You're gonna cut it. Remember, you're gonna cut it, right? I'm gonna cut it. Let me cut this thing off. Okay, it's hard. Excuse me. You never cut it off. Okay, if you go away. Jesus, it didn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work because you end the video. Alright, guys. Bye.